Oi oi, what's going on guys? Welcome to today's episode and welcome to a bit of a different episode. Now you guys know all about me riding the R3, me taking it to a few different tracks in Thailand. If you don't and you're new here, make sure you subscribe. I had an R3, I tracked it and subsequently I crashed it, had a great time on it.
That's flat out, fifth gear. Absolutely flat.
The suspension popped off. Tie wrapping this out of the way right now because I have no back brake. Most ridiculous scenario.
Most ridiculous scenario.
I must have no idea what the fuck.
But ultimately found the R3 to be a little bit too slow, to be honest. You know, especially when I do normally ride an MT-09, so it's definitely a bit more power than an R3. And that's where this video comes in. I need to get a new bike, and it's going to be a track bike. I'm going to keep the MT-09. The MT-09 is not going anywhere. I love my MT-09. I want to get an additional bike. I'm very thankful that I can get an additional bike and another proper big CC bike. 3 options. I'm just going to say it right now. It's going to be a quick video today, guys. R6, ZX6R, or a ZX10. Now, before you tell me what you think I should buy, the tracks in Thailand are pretty small. You're talking every track, you've got a 2.9 kilometer track is the biggest track after the MotoGP track. And the MotoGP track is 4.5 kilometers. So 2.9 is the second biggest track, and it is not going to really be great on 1000cc. Neither are any of the smaller tracks, be it Pida or the track Thailand circuit or the track close to where I am up here in the north in Chiang Mai. So I'm thinking a 600 is better, to be honest. And you know, the two 600s that everyone's really going to choose from is the ZX6R and the R6. Now, you guys know I've had experience on both, and I do like both. ZX10 is obviously quite different from those three, but what do you think I should buy? I'll be honest, I'm leaning towards the ZX6. I do plan to drive from Chiang Mai, you know, an 800 kilometer drive to a track, do a track day, drive back, make a trip of it. I will be kind of touring on the bike as well as doing track days. I'll try my best to do both and to make good content along the way. So which bike do you think would be best for that? And which bike would you like to see me ride? Let me know, and I'll see you in the next episode, guys. Should be getting pretty cool. Looking forward to getting a new bike, man. See you in the next one.
When we weren't ganging off the footy with our flickies, told the China that I'm just a rapper, even though I'm holding that box of I'm in that before I bust the chain, I'm trying to make mama that common flat. Ops know where I rest my head.
What's good, guys? Fuck.